In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a GoDaddy domain to Squarespace. If you already own a domain through GoDaddy and you want to use it with your Squarespace website, the good news is that the process is very straightforward. Squarespace includes a built-in connection option that helps automate the DNS setup, which means you usually won't need to manually edit technical records yourself. That makes this method one of the easiest ways to connect your existing domain. To get started, log into your Squarespace account and open the website you want to connect the domain to. Once you're inside your site dashboard, go to Settings, then select Domains. In the Domain section, choose the option that says Use a domain I own. This tells Squarespace that you already purchased your domain somewhere else and now want to link it to your site. Next, enter your GoDaddy domain name carefully in the domain field. Take a moment to make sure everything is typed correctly, since even a small typo can prevent the connection from working properly. After entering the domain, select Connect Domain to move to the next stage. Squarespace will then ask you to choose your domain provider. From the list of available providers, select GoDaddy and then click Connect. This lets Squarespace know which registrar you're using so it can guide you through the correct connection flow. At this point, a pop-up window will appear asking you to log into your GoDaddy account. This login step is used to authorize the automatic DNS connection between GoDaddy and Squarespace. Once you sign in, GoDaddy will ask you to approve the connection request. After you authorize it, Squarespace can automatically apply the required DNS settings for your domain, which saves time and reduces the chance of setup errors. If the pop-up doesn't appear right away, make sure your browser isn't blocking pop-ups, since that can interrupt the authorization step. It's also a good idea to complete the process in one sitting so the connection request doesn't time out. After authorization is complete, your domain should begin connecting to Squarespace. Keep in mind that domain updates can sometimes take a little time to fully propagate, so if the website doesn't appear immediately, that's normal. Just give it some time and check back. That's all it takes to connect a GoDaddy domain to Squarespace using the automatic connection option. Once everything finishes updating, your domain will point to your Squarespace site.